what I've been able to do in the past 28 days is to create a new income stream for myself, and that's by leveraging Google AdSense and also YouTube automation. Now, you can see clearly on my screen, currently I have about 8,000, over 800,000 views already on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours clearly there, and about 2,900 subscribers already on my YouTube channel. And all I need to monetize a YouTube channel is actually 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 YouTube subscribers, and I've been able to exceed that and even go way beyond that in the last 28 days. Now, for me to make money from Google AdSense, now for every 1,000 views that I get on Google AdSense, all right, I get to get some money from it. It's called RPM, all right. Now I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you how much I've made from YouTube in the last 28 days, gaining about 800,000 views already on YouTube, all right. Now imagine how much I make on YouTube just by accumulating these views, and then that views in terms of 800,000 is multiplied by the RPM, which is depending on the niche. Now hold on, I'm going to be showing you that very quickly on my screen and show you how much I've been able to generate from YouTube, all right, through this income stream. And I'm going to be showing you in this video in detail how you can build a new income stream for yourself, build a new business for yourself by simply implementing this thing in 3 steps. All right, now the first step you want to do is to actually understand what niche you want to focus on, which I will show you which is the best and profitable niche using YouTube automation. The second thing is how you want to do this. You're going to be using YouTube automation and the tools you would need to actually execute this. The third thing is what you actually need to create the content that you need to publish on YouTube. And the fourth thing you might need is probably how to get this money rolling in your pocket. Now, without further ado, let's dip right in, and I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to be showing you everything on my laptop screen. All right, now if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, you might want to hit on the subscribe button because this tutorial is about to change your life forever. YouTube automation is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. All right, so the best thing to do at this point is to join the bandwagon. Now, I do videos like this every time that actually help people to make money in the digital space or actually transform their finances. You might want to hit on the subscribe button. And again, if you probably want a one-on-one training with me, I have a one-on-one class where I would teach you for just $50 how you can do the YouTube automation. But if you do not have that money to pay, that's very fine. You can just watch this video up until the end. It's almost sufficient enough to teach you how you can actually create this new income stream. All right, follow me to my screen. So the first thing you want to do is to actually come on your Chrome browser here and type Google AdSense. Now the reason why we're doing this is so you can see the potential and how much you can actually earn or generate revenue from Google AdSense. Now it's going to bring out this icon for you. So you just click on the first one. It's going to bring you here. You can see it says you will create, would help you earn. AdSense makes it easy to earn money for your content. Now I'm sure you've heard about Google AdSense, so I'm not about to go on to read all of this for you. You know this already. So all you have to do to actually make up for signing up for AdSense is actually have a page that actually generates content or views, that actually generates views. All right, now you are going to eventually create an automated system of YouTube where you are going to actually make money, which is what I showed you earlier, which is this form of channel. All right, now you can see clearly on my channel, this channel, just to prove to you that everything I share with you on this channel is not a fluke. You can see currently here, this was when I started my channel, which was on Monday, which was May 27th 2024, and currently it is Friday, June the 28th. You can see from that point up until this time, if you calculate it, that would give you somewhere about 28 to 30 days. All right, so you can see there's been no algorithm prior to this time, absolutely zero algorithm. But in the space of time, earlier on in this video, I showed you about 800 views. Currently it's about 900,000 views already. I have already 4.5 watch hours. I have 2.9 thousand views already. And just to prove to you that this is also true, you might want to also, I might just refresh this just to prove to you that this is not a fluke. Okay, it says that I need to switch account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to my real account, which is my YouTube account, and I'm just going to come here and click on my YouTube studio. Just to prove to you, I know a lot of you would already start saying, oh, this is probably a fluke. I mean, the dashboard showed that it's not true. So I'm back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click on algorithm, analytics rather. Give it a moment to load. Now currently I'm back on my analytics, and let's see what it shows us. You can see we're back 855.9k views, 4.3k and 2.7 watch hours. So this is about what I can show you about my channel. So what YouTube want to see is that you have what Google Adsense rather want to see is that you have a platform where you have viewers coming, all right, because that's where they get to show their ads and that's where you get to make money from. Now why I brought you here is to show you the potential and how much you can actually make depending on how many views you get. Now here is where you get to pick your category. Let's say select your content category and location of most of your traffic. So here you get to choose where your category and where most of your traffic are coming from. Now for someone like me, if I want to check where my traffic is coming from, I'm just going to come here and click on audience. Now when I click on my audience, I am going to scroll down to see where most of my audience are coming from. You see most of my audience are female. So here it says that a number of my audience are Indians, people from Mexicans, and then Brazilians, Indonesia, and Uzbekistan. I'm not sure where this is, but basically these are where most of my viewers are coming from. All right, so what I want to choose here is, first of all, I want to choose my category. All right, I'm going to choose what my channel is all about. So we're just going to search. My channel is usually it's art and entertainment, so I'm just going to leave it at art and entertainment. Excuse me. So the region you're going to click is either Americans, Asia, Middle East, or Africa. So I'm just going to choose Middle East or Africa because that's where most of my content is coming from. So what Google is telling us here is that for every, you can see here, you can increase your watch, you can increase. What Google is telling us is that for 50,000 views, right, monthly page views, if you're able to generate 50,000 monthly page views, what you can make from that is $900. Your potential yearly earning is $900, all right, for monthly views. Now let's increase this. You remember on my channel I have about 800,000 views, somewhere around 900,000 views. So I'm just going to come here and increase this to 900,000. Let's leave it at, find a balance. Let's leave it somewhere. Okay, let's leave it at 899, and that's, so you can see currently your potential yearly earning is somewhere around $16,400. Now my guys, all I am trying to tell you is that you can make about $16,000 from the YouTube automation system I'm about to show you. Now again, like I said, is for people in my premium class, people who I teach one-on-one, I have had subsequent result testimonies where people have been able to do this. But again, like I said earlier, if you do not have the money to register for my premium class, you can just, leverage it. And my premium class is just $50. So it's a very little token for what you're offering. And that is like a giveaway price. I'm sure that hopefully by the early part of next month is going to be somewhere around $100. So the earlier the better. But again, you can just leverage this. Now, this is how much revenue you can generate from an automated system of YouTube, like I just did here, like I'm doing right here. You can see clearly there is no fluke here. Everything that has happened here, I've showed you. Your channel got 855,923 views in the past 28 days. Now, how am I able to do this? That is the next thing I want to be showing you. What I did to be able to garner all of these views, that's what I'm about to show you. Now, in a few steps, I'm going to explain to you what I do and how this works for me. Now, I'm going to be taking my time to create this for you, so you need to watch it to the end. Now, for instance, I want to create an image about, say, superhero Hulk fighting with Venom. So I'm just going to come here and type superhero, create this prompt. You come to this AI, first of all, the name of the AI, ideogram. All right, you can also use it for free or use it for premium. Now, in the description below, you'll find a link where you can actually pay for this AI or use it for free. You can have at most 14 prompts every single day. Now I'm going to come here and type create. Make sure your prompt is very explicit. Create an image of Venom fighting Hulk in a boxing ring with crowd cheering them as Hulk kicks a super punch and falls to the ground. All right, punch, correct this. So next thing I want to do is we'll hit on generate. It's gonna take some time to generate. Like I said, this is I'm currently using the premium version, which is somewhere around $20 monthly. So you might want to use the premium version or use the free version. All right. So this is what it has generated for us. This. If you do not like what it's generating for you, you can click on generate again for it to regenerate something new for you. And then we'll watch and see what it creates for us. Alright, good. I think I like what it's created here. I'll go back. I'm gonna download this instead. So watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come here and click on the download button. You come on this three toggle here and click on download. PNG 100% quality is usually for people who have the premium version, but if not, you're going to use the 70%. Now I'm going to come on this AI called the Happier area. Now Happier AI is also free for many people, but you can use the premium version. So I'm just going to come here and click on create. All right, so once I click on create here, it's going to give me the avenue. It says please input your prompt. So I'm just going to come here and give me a minute. We come here and click on create, which is you click on animate your image. We come here and upload. So I'm going to come to the picture I just downloaded. It's somewhere in my downloads. So I'm just going to come here and look for it. I'm going to click on it. So it's going to take some time to load. Once it loads, it's going to ask you describe the video you want. So I'm just going to say hawk taking a punch and punch and falling to the ground. I'm going to click on generate. It usually takes some time to generate, especially for the free version. It's going to queue because other people are using the same AI. Now our image has been successfully converted into video, so I'm just going to click on play and see what that happens. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Now imagine how we've been able to transform image that we generated. What we just successfully did was we were able to transform this image that was generated for us into a motion video. You can see clearly. Wow, isn't this beautiful? This is so lovely. Now that we've been able to successfully do that, the next thing you want to do is to come on CapCut. So on CapCut is where I do all of my editing. You can see this is where I do my editing and all that. Now I've been able to compile little images like this. This video currently playing here is one of the videos here. It was literally created in the same So guys, that is how I'm able to actually create my images and turn those images into pictures, or turn those pictures rather into videos. And that's how you have it there. Very simple and straightforward. All you have to do is to do this. Now all you have to do is to create a storyline to actually go with this. The storyline is simply going to be created using ChatGPT, or you can just assume any story by yourself and start creating images that suit the storyline that you're trying to create. And then after that, you would be able to take those pictures, those images or storyline, and create images with them. And then those images, you move them into Hyper, and from Hyper you convert them into short videos, and then you compile these videos together, and you can see that eventually you will have a beautiful documentary that you can post on YouTube channel, and you'll be shocked to see how many people actually want to watch videos like this. Now, like I said earlier, if you want me to show you my secrets, how I've been able to do this and how I've been able to generate over close to 1 million views already on YouTube and make about currently we're somewhere around in terms of revenue, in some terms of revenue. I'm not going to go into detail. I'm going to be sharing every detail with people in my premium class, and it's simply just $50 for anybody who is interested in learning. Now, see you in my next video, and I want to see you implement this. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.